Distinguish between the following: physical change and chemical change. The properties of the original substances remain the same in the physical change. The properties of the original substance alter in the chemical change. The original composition remains unchanged. The original composition changes. The physical changes are reversible. The chemical changes are irreversible. Example of physical changes are evaporation, boiling, dissolution, etc. Example of chemical changes are photosynthesis, corrosion. Periodic change and non-periodic change. Changes occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called periodic changes. Changes not occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called non-periodic changes. There is constancy in periodic changes. There is no constancy in non-periodic changes. Example of periodic changes are high and low tide of the sea, movement of ants of clock. Example of non-periodic changes are breaking of storm. Natural change and man-made change. The change occurring automatically by natural cause is called natural change. The changes induced by man are called man-made changes. Most of the natural events are the example of natural changes. Man-made changes are due to man's wish to satisfy his needs. Example of natural changes are ripening of fruits. Example of man-made changes are cutting down the trees. Under which different types can the following changes be classified? Conversion of milk into yogurt. Chemical, irreversible, slow. Bursting of a cracker. Chemical, irreversible, fast. Occurrence of an earthquake. Physical, chemical, irreversible, natural. Revolution of the earth around the sun. Periodic, slow, natural. Stretching of a spring. Physical, reversible. New reasons. While purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. Every canned item has a limited shelf life. This is the time limit during which the food item is safe to eat. This is mentioned on the can. But later, after the expiry date is over, the food may not remain in a good condition due to irreversible chemical changes in it. Consuming such items can harm health. Therefore, while purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. An iron article should be given a coat of paint. When an iron article rusts, a reddish brown layer forms on it. Iron gets oxidized to iron oxide, which forms a reddish brown layer. This process is called corrosion of metals. Things become weak due to corrosion. Therefore, an iron article should be given a coat of paint. A wooden article should be polished. When a wooden article comes in contact with moisture, there is possibility of fungal growth, and also termites will make wooden article brittle and break. So wooden article should be polished, which forms a protective layer. It does not allow the wooden article to get decayed by moisture or attacked by termite. Copper and brass utensils should be tinned. Due to corrosion of copper or brass, a greenish layer is seen to form on a copper article. Copper and brass articles are coated with tin. This is called tinning. A dry handkerchief gets wet at once on dipping in water, but it takes long for a wet handkerchief to dry. The dry fibers of handkerchief absorbs water to its maximum capacity immediately. That is why handkerchief gets wet at once. When wet handkerchief dries, all the water absorbed has to become water vapor by evaporation. This depends on surrounding air and heat. That is why wet handkerchief takes a long time to dry. What will you take into account while identifying the following? A physical change in the substance. It will be seen that whether the substance has changed its properties and composition. If both of these have remained unchanged, then it is a physical change. A chemical change in the substance. It will be seen that whether the substance is changed in its properties, whether the composition of the substance is changed, whether the change is irreversible, If all these changes are taking place, then it will be a chemical change. Read the paragraph and note down the various types of changes it mentioned. It was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun was setting. A breeze was blowing. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Sahil was sitting in the courtyard, rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys. Then he felt hungry and went into the house. Mother made a dough from wheat flour and fried puris. While eating hot puris, his attention was drawn outside the window. It had started raining. There was lightning too. Sahil was enjoying his dinner in the dim light. It was nearing 6 o'clock in the evening. Time reversible periodic. The sun was setting. Sunset periodic reversible. A breeze was blowing of wind, physical non periodic. Leaves on the tree were shaking. Movements due to wind, physical periodic. Sahil was sitting in the courtyard, rolling balls of wet soil and shaping them into various toys, making toys of soil physical. Then he felt hungry and went into the house, hunger periodic. Mother made a dough from wheat flour and fried puris, frying physical irreversible. While eating hot puris, his attention was drawn outside the window, seeing randomly non periodic. It had started raining. Raining physical periodic. There was lightning too. Sahil was enjoying his dinner in the dim light. Lightning physical chemical fast. Let's recall what are the causes of the changes occurring in surroundings. When there is a change in the structure and state of the substances that surround us, then there are changes caused in the surroundings. There are physical, chemical, and biological changes occurring around us. Some of the changes are natural, while some are man made changes. What is meant by man made changes? Which are these changes? When man wishes to produce things of his own use, he changes the substances around him. Such changes are called man made changes. These changes can be physical or chemical changes. What processes occur during the change of state of matter? The processes of dissolving, boiling, melting, freezing, etc. occur when the state of matter changes. What happens when water is taken in a bowl and heated? When water is taken in a bowl and heated, it starts evaporating and its vapor is formed. Can you tell which of the above changes have occurred of their own accord or naturally? A fruit falling from a tree, rusting of iron, raining, etc. are the changes that take place naturally. Lighting an electric bulb and cutting vegetables are man-made changes. We see many man-made materials in our day-to-day life. For what purposes are they produced? We need many different things in our day-to-day life. These things are obtained through different types of processes. To satisfy our needs, these processes are done and various things are manufactured. You made a link from the glass piece. How will you change the shape of the link to give it its original shape? When the glass piece is heated, it becomes soft. This means that upon heating, there are changes in the material of glass. If this piece has to be brought back to its original form, it will be reheated and again after applying mild pressure, the glass piece can be straightened. However, the original color, texture and form is lost in the process. How will you restore the original candle after melting one? When the original candle is melted, the wax turns into liquid form. If this is added in a mold, again it will be solid. Candle can be made from such wax again. What comes after daytime? Night falls after the daytime. What is the next stage after sunrise? After sunrise, it is a dawn and then comes the morning. What comes after a high tide in the sea? After high tide, there is a low tide. Use your brain power. What kind of change is the falling of a tree in a storm? The falling of a tree in a storm is a natural change. What kind of change is the conversion of milk into yogurt? Change is the conversion of milk into yogurt is a natural chemical change. Which type of change is the change of seasons from summer to rains to winter? After summer comes the rainy season. After rainy season follows the winter. The cycle of seasons goes on continuously on the earth. This occurs in specific time. Therefore, change of seasons is a periodic change. Which ends of a clock show periodic changes from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. How many times? Ends of clock show following movements during time period of 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Hour hand 1 periodic movement, minute hand 12 periodic movements. Second hand 12 into 60 is equal to 720 periodic movements. Which of the following are physical changes and which are chemical changes? Making a table from wood, burning wood, breaking of a glass object, ripening of a tomato, rusting of iron. Making a table from wood, physical change, burning wood, chemical change, breaking of a glass object, physical change, ripening of a tomato, chemical change, rusting of iron, chemical change.